Sorry about that, pressed the wrong button as you do. At chainsaw ball, just gonna check out some graffiti. I'll swing it round. This time I'll press the right button. TDD. Thugs don't die. Sums. 21. Ink. I wish I could have done this in just the one video, but I always screw them up. So ink has been here with the usual duck, and obviously someone was with them. 01 and owner 1 KO ink production. But the interesting one is coming up now. Oh my god, they love this surface because it's so smooth, but this is going to tickle a few people if I can stand back without killing myself. Look at that. Oh my god, Bill Gates versus David Icke. The vaccinator and the chain breaker. Oh my god. Top Babylonian, mental chain breaker. Flipping that Street Fighter style. Level select, Hell Nirvana. L01 fighter. Oh my god. And this must be KO. When I'm, yeah, KAEO. And in the corners just stuff. But oh my god, that is hilarious. These three, well, they certainly get around and they love this surface because it is so smooth. But we got KO, 01 and ink by the look of it. Oh my god, look. Bill Gates versus David Icke. Unbelievable. And the usual duck. Oh, that is just hilarious. Don't forget who the voice of the people is. You can slate us off as much as you like in Croydon because the council have taken the graffiti team away, but don't blame the graffiti artists, blame the council in Croydon, because we are the voice. The graffiti writers and the artists are the voice of the common people. You remember that before you start saying that we're vandals. We are ones that are getting the message across, or some of the ones that are getting the message across. Unbelievable. That is just fucking brilliant. Don't know what to make of it. But funnily enough, the quality is pretty good. The chain breaker versus the top Babylonian from Microsoft. Oh, that is just hilarious. Oh. Sums. The only sums that I years ago, literally, and it was in Shirley. It must be different sums. It could be the same one. TDD. TDD seems familiar. But sums. I remember at the back of Shirley High School there was a pond called Swiss Lodge Pond, and there was a building there that they held all the scouts, kayaks and canoes in, that kind of stuff. And I'm sure Sums was there. Smug and Sums, I think it was. And Vader and other stuff. And then I done a comma piece there in 2010. Unbelievable. And even the flipping, I take it is a duck, yeah, a black duck. also in Ghee. That is just fucking funny. That is so funny. It's just so funny. Take a look at the proper graffiti piece at the end. KO. Well, I don't know what to say. Thanks to Bustawidemove for that. That was hilarious. Oh my god. Yeah, that was flipping hilarious, that. Anyway, that is pretty much the extent of the wall. I doubt if there's anything at the far end. I know I did do a carrot there at one point, but no, that got taken out by Separ, who was pretty active at Annerley opposite the railway some years ago. So I got legitimately taken out by Separ. But maybe there could be a bit more gardening that far end. Well, not the far end, but just there. I'll probably have to do it my bloody self, but anyway. Unbelievable. If you want another look, just go back in the video and you can just pause it. The Babylonian versus the Chainbreaker plus a duck. Anyway, and as I said, I managed to sort out the DJ Puff icon in the bottom right now. So if you want to hit the button, just subscribe, hit the button. Still getting confused. If you want to subscribe, hit DJ in the corner, the little blue icon, and that'll subscribe you to the channel. I feel so much better since I've smeared my body with white vinegar. Yeah, don't seem to be stinging as much. And I had some 70% dark chocolate last night, and apparently that's good for earthing yourself. So, well, we'll have to see. Ears are still playing up slightly, not too much. All Dan heard is going live in 30 minutes. But I think we'll end it there. Switch it round again. We'll end on, yeah. We'll end on the piece. Oh. Alright, I think we'll leave it at that. Catch you later. Everybody, bye for now.